Welcome back. It was an enthralling season and a super final. Titchfield High are the winners of Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. The final scores, Jamaica College 23 and Titchfield High School 26. We're grateful to our sponsors and donors for joining with us in donating prizes to celebrate our finalists and to recognize their excellence this season. First, with some fantastic prizes, is major sponsor Flow. We invite Krishana Davis, brand manager, to make the presentations to the winners. Each member of the champion team will receive a Lenovo V14 Gen 3 laptop. And Ms. Davis will stay with us to make presentations to the runner-up team. Each member of the team will receive a Samsung LTE tablet plus 3 months talk and data plan. Up next are prizes from major sponsors Tradewind Citrus Limited through their product True Milk. We now invite Brooke Nunez, Senior Digital Marketing Specialist, Tradewind Citrus Limited, to make a presentation to the winners. First, there is a check for $150,000 to the Champion School. Then there are True Juice gift baskets to each member of the winning team. And there are also True Juice gift baskets for the 2 coaches of the winning team. There are also prizes for the runners-up from True Juice. We now invite Carisha Ferguson, Marketing Coordinator, Tradewind Citrus Limited, to make these presentations. First, we have a check for $100,000 to the runner-up school, and we ask that a representative or the captain accept that prize. And True Juice gift baskets to all members of the runner-up team. And of course, there are True Juice gift baskets to the coaches of the runner-up team. Another valued associate sponsor, Kingston Bookshop, will now make their presentations. We invite Ms. Chanel Hutton, Senior Marketing Officer, to hand over special KB prizes to members of the runner-up team. The coaches of the runner-up team will also receive KB book vouchers. We invite Thomas James, Education Representative, to present a KB check for $100,000 to the runner-up school. We invite the principal to accept that prize. We now welcome another valued associate sponsor, Grace Kennedy, through their Grace Foods division. First, we invite Kimberly Walker, Social Media Officer, Grace Foods and Services, to present Grace gift baskets to members of the winning team. And Ms. Walker will also present a similar gift to the champion coaches. I believe there are also prizes which Ms. Walker will present to members of the runner-up team, Grace Food Baskets. And she also has the task of presenting special baskets to the coaches of the runner-up team. We invite Ms. Tashika Taylor, Acting Assistant Registrar, Marketing, Recruitment, and Communications, to make the presentations. First, for the winners. The Mona TVJ Schools Challenge Scholarship is valued at a grand total of $1,039,599. That is $346,533 per year for 3 years. This is awarded to the captain or any other member of the team who has been offered a place as a full-time undergraduate student. It's tenable at the Kingston or Montego Bay campus for the 2025-2026 or 2026-2027 academic year. We ask the captain of the winning team to accept. Then for the runner-up, there is the Mona TVJ Schools Challenge Scholarship, valued at a total of $519,800. May I ask the captain to accept? American Jewelry Company has gold signet rings for the winners. Making the presentation is Mr. Roshan Kemlani. Mr. Kemlani will also present silver signet rings from American Jewelry Company to the runners-up. Thank you so much, American Jewelers, and thank you, Mr. Kemlani. Northern Caribbean University, NCU, has a 4-year scholarship covering tuition fee to one member of the winning team for the 2025-2026 academic year for any 4-year bachelor's degree program. Making that special presentation is Professor Lincoln Edwards, president of the Northern Caribbean University. The captain of the champions will accept. NCU also has gift bags for the winning team. And 138 Student Living Limited will present 1 semester of free accommodation to a member of the winning team who will be studying at the UWI Mona at one of the 138 student living halls of residence. Making that presentation to a member of the winning team is Ms. Carell McCormack, Public Relations and Marketing Manager. Now, Guardsman Hospitality will present all-inclusive day passes to Puerto Seco Beach Park to the winners. Making that presentation on behalf of the Guardsman Company is Damian Blair of the Guardsman Group. Mr. Blair will remain to present day passes to the Conoco Falls and Park to the runner-up team. Television Jamaica presents its prestigious Schools Challenge Quiz Scholarship valued at $1.5 million. Making the presentation is Mr. Gregory Pullen. Mr. Pullen will stay with us to present TVJ trophies to the coaches of both the winning and runner-up teams. The prize for the most improved school goes to the very outstanding team from Macatee High in St. Elizabeth. Beverly Thompson, head of digital business, RGR Gleaner Communications Group, to present the plaque to the principal, Mr. Sean Graham. Now, the award for the team with the highest score in a single match goes to Jamaica College. JC scored. We now invite Natonia Silva, Deputy General Manager, Marketing and Sales, Broadcast, to make the next set of presentations. First, to the winners. There are TVJ Gold Medals and TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz Bags. And to the runners-up, there are TVJ Silver Medals and special TVJ Quiz Bags. And to the third place team, Manchester High, bronze medals a cash prize of $100,000 and SCQ bags. Again, congratulations to our champions, Titchfield High School from Portland. Until 2026, I'm Marlene Stevenson Daly for TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz.